My name is Rod Carringer, Chief Marketing Officer for Task Force Tips. And today I want to talk about just a couple of the brand new products that TFT is introducing in our water flow line, really to all over the world. One of the biggest ones that we've had is looking at pump panels, the configuration of pump panels and the width of pump panels and roll-up doors over pump panels have really caused our research and development team to take a really close, hard look at intake valves. And what we have here is our newest introduction, a low-profile jumbo intake valve. And I say jumbo because we also have to be capable of flows up to 2,000 gallons a minute with virtually no loss. So these valves are designed at about 2,000 gallons a minute at the top end and about 7 psi loss. So they're incredibly efficient. But this one, what kind of differentiates this one from some of the other valves that we produce, you'll look and I'll kind of swing this around, is the incredibly low profile that it has. And this is where our problem seems to lie in a lot of these truck and pump panel modifications, is we have to have this to be very, very tight. And so unlike some of the other intake valves that we have, which probably stick out about this far, we've really made it compact. It also includes a swiveling inlet, which gives you the ability to configure this in many different ways, allowing the hose as it's charged to basically swivel around. If things are really tight, the operational controls can also come from the top. So we can keep this extremely tight, especially for compartment doors that have to maybe roll down over this, which we see more and more of. We also include in every one a pressure relief valve, which is easily changeable in the field by the operator. You can set it to whatever the operational conditions are for the truck. And this one is especially unique because we're trying some new coatings. And we've long known, that corrosion in intake valves is a huge problem. And this is something that at TFT we've worked for years to try to combat the corrosion, this galvanic corrosion that takes place on the fire truck. Well, for the first time ever, we've got brand new coatings and a brand new system that allows us to put a full 10-year warranty on this valve. And it's something brand new for TFT and untried in the industry before, but we're going to have a full 10-year warranty for any sort of damage or corrosion that prevents this valve from operating. So to learn more about this valve and some of the other products that we produce, visit www.tft.com, where we have a full video. You can get all the specifications, and our tech and service team is there to help answer any questions about configurations, intake threads, outlet threads, whatever you need to have.